Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend, and I want to thank you so much for tuning in and for watching the video. Guys, what I'm doing this weekend is participating in a wonderful collaboration. It's the Tablescapesunday collaboration, and it's hosted by several wonderful ladies with great channels. Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Cynthia SheSoBless, Mysterious Alberta, Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Diva Decorating. The challenge or the collaboration is for this week is Tablescapesunday Valentines 2020. So again, you'll be able to find my video and of course all the other ladies that are participating in this challenge or in this collaboration under the hashtag Tablescapesunday Valentines 2020. I really think that what these ladies are doing is fantastic because they're all coming together, basically supporting each other's channels. And that's really what it's all about. So for this challenge and this collaboration, what we were instructed to do was to use the two colors or the choices of colors rather would be red and white or pink and white. You can see that I obviously chose red and white. And I went for romance. When I think of Valentine's Day, I think of romance. So that's kind of what I had in my mind as I pulled my tablescape together. I'll get a little closer so you can kind of see, and I'll pan around and walk you through everything that I used and what I came up with. So I'll start with the glassware. The glassware is Waterford Crystal, and I did get that from, excuse me, from Home Goods. And I'll get a little closer so you can see it. Really like this glassware. Probably would have paid a little bit more for it had I not got it from Home Goods, but you guys know sometimes you can catch a deal there. The centerpieces, I went really basic on the not the centerpiece, sorry, but the place settings. Basically, all this is I just layered a red charger with a white plate and some red saucers. And you know what? I got these. I can't remember where I got the chargers because I've had these for some time. But I definitely got the plates at Dollar Tree, and or rather the saucers. And the plates I got, I just showed you these in another video. I got these for Burlington, and they were really, really inexpensive. I chose to go with just plain white napkins, and this is just a plain red napkin ring, and I just added a little embellishment there to kind of add a little bling. You'll see that I covered the table with rose petals because, again, I was thinking elegant but romance when I pulled everything together. These candlestick holders I borrowed actually from my living room. I usually have them sitting in there, but I thought they would look nice in here. And I found these a few weeks back. They were on sale. I think I maybe paid $8 for each of them because I got them on clearance at one of my favorite stores, which is Ross. And I just love them because, you know, I love bling, love glam. So I just got some plain white candles sitting on top, and I just added, you know, a little diamond embellishment there to sort of pull it all together. Now my centerpiece, what I did is I have a mirrored base. It's a round mirror and I buy all of my mirrors at Joann Fabrics. Usually I can get a good deal there. And I think the mirror was only $7.99. And it's nice, you know, to use to layer under centerpieces and things like that. You can even use these if you wanted to in a plate under a place setting. The red and white candles there, or candle holders, I've had those so long I honestly don't remember where I got them. Same thing with these candles here on top. And you can see they've been decorated with a little ribbon, and I'll get close. The ribbon has little bling in it. I've had those for forever, so I can't even tell you where I got it. The centerpiece that I chose to go with, this is another Eiffel Tower centerpiece. I just used one of these in the last tablescape that I did. Only instead of a clear Eiffel vase, I'll pull this aside, you'll see this is white, and it kind of twists a little bit. And what I did is stuff lights down inside to kind of bring it out a little bit, and they're battery powered lights, and I usually buy my lights at Ross. So same thing over here, just another repeat on the candlestick and the glassware. I always, you'll probably see as you start to see more of my tablescapes that I do use cake plates a lot to add a little height to my centerpieces. And this cake plate, I really like it. I'm going to get a little close so you can see the base. It's got a mirror base, and then crystal like stand part, or whatever you call this base part. And then this is just plain glass up here, but it's really pretty. And guys, I found that at Home Goods. I think it was like 16 bucks. And I really like cake stands because you can do so much with them. And they've really got some pretty ones, especially at Home Goods. I think I found some nice ones there. And so you'll see a lot of my tablescapes as I put them together. I like to layer the look, and a lot of times I will use various cake stands to add that height and that elevation that you want in your centerpiece. So for the chairs, I'd really just added some red pillows that I already had to my existing dining room chairs. Over here, I layered it. I think you've probably seen these pillows before. I used those in another tablescape recently. Just kind of wanted to add a little depth to the table. I've got some artificial roses kind of laying on the table in a couple different areas. And again, these are just those battery-powered votives that I like to use to add a little ambiance, I guess you call it. But anyway, guys, this is what I came up with. I welcome all of your comments. Please let me know what you think. It's funny because I had a tough time with this one, and the reason is, if you've watched my videos, you know that it wasn't that long ago I had red everywhere. I mean, just everywhere in my house. And I decided I was going to go with neutrals, and I got rid of all the red. So when I started thinking about what I was going to do for this collaboration, I had to get myself back in that red mindset. And it was funny because once you start to think of your decor differently, and you've had a primary color for a long time, when you let it go and then you try to come back to it, it's a little bit challenging. But anyway, I think I like what I did, and I hope you do too. And just let me know what you think. Like I said, I welcome all of your comments. But again, I want to make sure that you guys go and watch all the other videos. And I thank you so much for tuning in and watching this one. And again, this Tablescape Sunday collaboration is hosted by Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Cynthia SheSoBless, Mysterious Alberta, me, myself, and DIYing it, Diva Decorating, and the hashtag is Tablescapesunday Valentines 2020. Thank you guys. And listen, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you'll do that. I do tablescapes, but I really love home decor, DIYs, all of that. So you'll get to see a lot of that from my channel. I also have a Shop With Me channel, Shop With Me by CCW. And I'm kicking off another channel that kind of focuses on the repair work that I like to do. You'll get to see me do everything from electrical to drywall, you name it. So anyway, this is all I got. And you guys let me know what you think. And thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.